Hey guys, we're gonna be playing soccer with the kickball. Volleyball, sorry. And so, yeah. Here we go. And I will be starting with the ball.
Can I go?
Oh. Hang on. And, I forgot to say the rules. Rules are, basically, can't use your hands past halfway since we're basically our own goalies, 1 versus 1. And then we use the nets, and then if it's a certain high, we just assume certain high, it doesn't count. If it hits the pole at all,
Like,
it's
even
considered
if it hits
not
it.
it's considered not a goal. Sorry. And so, I'm gonna kick it off right now. And please like, subscribe, and comment.
And by the way, if one of us kicks it out, whoever kicks it out is going to have to go get it, throw it in. And let's pretend I just kicked it out. So, oh no, I have to go get it. So, I go get it, and then, but I have to stay there and try to throw it in.
Yeah.
And
then
then
I
the guy
can use my head, only my head, and knock it back out. And
Yeah.
she has to get it again, and get it. And then basically, this thing right here, it's gonna be open, so I can kick it, hit Alexa's leg, and it can roll out. Then she has to
Or
get
my
it.
back, or something.
Yeah, or like something or another.
Any part of my body.
And then if it touches me and goes out, I have to get it.
But it's whoever touches last.
Right. And me and Alexa, well, her name's Alexa, and my name's Kevin. We both like that side, so I'm letting her start with that side, and say she kicks it out. I get that side, she has to go and get the ball, etc. Okay, so now we're gonna be playing ball. Let's go.
Let's start. So,
And I start. So,
we're just going to be playing for fun, right?
Yeah.
And we aren't going to be
And see, that was too high.
And we aren't going to be kicking it as hard as we can.
Why am
Well, we can use our hands, but only like not halfway. Oh.
I use my butt a lot of the time. Ooh. Hang on.
Good ball. Why did you just go around yourself?
What's this? Yeah.
Nobody's scored yet.
Well, I have on myself.
Yeah. So that's practically my point.
What?
Oh, I scored. So since I just scored, it's Gavin's ball. Was that too high?
Ooh. Now, let's just say that's too high.
Oh, I'm fine. It's not a super intense game. So. Oh,
Yeah, I just
my
in the cut.
So it's not like if you win, you get like,
$1 million quadrillion bucks.
yeah, it's not like it's
And then
your life.
I like doing this sometimes.
And then he usually kicks it out.
Oh, and there's a fail.
Injury!
What?
Injury! And if there is injury timeout. So, like if I get kicked in the face,
Just like what almost happened.
yeah.
Now she has to go get it.
That was stupid.
Now I have to use my head to knock it out. You
Yeah.
may not see her half the times.
Well, and we can.
And I also get this side, which Alexa was just fine.
Ooh, I can actually.
Try.
I know you.
Like that, I can hear out. Where's the arm? And now most of the time it's going back in. Normally it's like always going out.
Yeah.
Go.
Did you? Ow, my
I
butt.
scored and then we hit a butt.
I scored.
Yeah, on the shelf. Since she touched it, we just consider it she scores on herself. You have to go get that and touch it.
Touch me last, so I go get that.
If Barely touched it, you can replay it and see if it touched her. I heard it. So,
I felt it, so I'm okay with it. And sometimes it's a major fail of trying to hit it on your head, and sometimes it's like so easy to get out. Depends on how they throw it. And even though I just accidentally kicked it out, well, I didn't really kick it out, but I got it out, I still stand inside. Because we all want that side of that.
on the ball and I basically
This is trying to
did
block
the
it.
split.
Yeah, it was funny. I started out like a cracked the ball.
Shoot, she just quit on me. Stop.
We scored.
Yeah.
I'll give him face. And if like I get kicked in the face or something,
Oh shoot. See, I just kicked out. Now I have to go get it.
and I can do whatever I want when he is up for getting it, but I have to be ready.
Well, she doesn't have to.
But if I'm not ready, he can still throw it in, like if that makes sense.
Like now. Shoot.
Ow,
See, that always happens. It's so stupid. Normally that always happens to me. I know.
he's pretty good with his head, but I'm not too bad. But yeah. And I'm wearing a swimsuit right now because I was just at like a place. That's gonna be 2K. No, yeah.
Oh.
I didn't think that was going in, so it's. I thought this side oh, there's stuff on it. So right now we're taking out.
We live in the woods.
So
These
yeah.
sticker things, they just stick to your shirt. Just got all over my back.
And since he
They don't
took it
hurt
out, now it's my ball.
Gosh.
So yeah, so we're gonna play for a couple more minutes, and then we'll be done with the video.
Ball.
And if you like sports or soccer, you should watch this video.
Well, I don't really like soccer. I thought so.
We're just playing on a tramp. And if you're like, oh, that was so weird and funny, watch our video because we have some pretty funny videos. Or did I score?
Nobody. Tires. God. Kick it in the face. Uh-oh.
Doodles!
Yeah, bye.
So the next time somebody picks it out, we're gonna end this video and yeah. Because we don't want it too long that you guys just get bored. Because sometimes it can get boring. So yeah. Yeah, right now I'm just doing some tricks. So, sorry it's taking so long or whatever, but
God. I just got more sticky things.
okay, whatever. He's just gonna move teeny bit so he can actually.
Oh!
Dude, did you see that? That thing totally went in somehow. And I'm gonna stay on the
Horse
side.
fire, deer fire, I almost went in my mouth.
Oh, gross. Did you say horse fly or deer fly?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that went in your back.
Here it go.
Oh, I got like.
Oh.
Oh, it's coming out. Did that hit me once?
Gosh.
Oh my gosh, my gut hurts right now. Oh no, that hit me in the back. It almost got it out.
Hey, she caught it.
Hey, I can actually catch a play softball.
Ha, I got you in the boot. Go.
Totally failed on that one.
Oh, yeah. First one. That's why that just got blocked on my way. Scarlet.
Oh my gosh. On my tongue. There. I need foul ball.
Yeah, that bounced off my knee. Oh, I just blocked her.
And this isn't really soccer. Like, it's not
Between the legs. Oh, I almost scored from my butt. But I'm not even paying attention. Stop it. Get out of here. That's right. That just happened.
So whoever scores next, well, since this is taking so long, we're gonna end the video. Ow. We're gonna end the video soon. So yeah. And sorry I'm like closing my eyes so much.
She's so scared.
It's because I got hit in the face a couple of times before by him. And
Whoa. Someone scored. Whoa.
Oh, why did I?
It's funny. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ah!
How did I knock that out?
Hit her! Oh, shoot. Yes. No.
Maybe so.
Oh, no. Shoot. Oh, good. She didn't
My
score.
legs feel right.
How did it feel? Oh,
Okay.
she just scored.
So I'm gonna end this video.
Shush. I touched her. That was stupid.
Okay.
We aren't going to end it too soon. We have this game. Oh. But hashtag long run. So I guess we are going to end the video.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
subscribe, comment, and like. Bye.
Yeah.
Whoa, you almost fell down.
Yeah.
Hashtag smart one.